teachers. Your turn into CBNH's radio bringing you the latest update from our school reality. I'm James, your anchor for today. Once again, this is Echo 101 7HS Radio Broadcasting.
For our local news, the student government will hold a green project this Friday. All grade level are encouraged to join and help maintain our beautiful school surroundings.
Ito na.
Sport news. In sport, our varsity team lost against Riverside. With score 75 to 68. Still congratulations to our athlete, showing the respect and teammate.
Walo.
Sama. Kami, si Quentin Electric sila. Walo na.
In learning, science, and math, many schools around the world learn the way to use technology and classroom.
Video just
So mom and cheer for your friends back to the gym.
Day, baka naman tayo.
This is brought to you by Smart Scoop Line. Kung wala nito, wala kang buhay.
Igagit to day. Ang iba niya, nga rin lang yung sa mga ate, mga sa ato niya, dito gisa na kanto. Oo.
That is for today. Once again, this is Echo 101 7HS Radio Broadcast. This is James and the whole team reminding you to stay smart, stay calm, and keep the spirit cool. And have a great day.